Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share with you about financial stability, progress, pag-asinso. Okay, before I start, pasensya na po, naka-sunglass, may sakit pa rin ako hanggang ngayon, yung thyroid ko, cholesterol at marami pa. Now, I'm going to answer to you, letter sender. Thank you for the trust. Thank you for the question. Ang sabi niya dito, Dear Eva, do you have any solutions or unique ways or good tricks to become successful in business or to be financially wealthy? Okay. Now, before I start, masabi ko lang na pag sinabi natin gusto kong yumaman, ang bigat isipin kasi yaman is a big word. So isipin mo pa lang, parang ang bigat na, parang nakakatamad. Okay, joke lang po. Focus muna tayo doon sa financial stability. Yun, ang focus natin. Kasi yaman is a big word, parang ang hirap gawin. Saka na lang yun, kung sakali. Okay, so number one talaga, ang tinuturo ng mga milyonaryo, madalas naririnig ko po ito or nababasa sa mga libro na you apply quantum physics. Yung you increase your vibration to attract positive energy. Yun po talaga. And then, think positive. Palagi nating naririnig yan na think positive. Tama talaga yun, effective. Pero, paano naman tayo magkaroon ng positive thinking kung hindi tayo ready emotionally, physically, lalo na sa health natin? So, umpisa natin sa basic, no? Yung tama ang tulog mo, nag-exercise ka, you eat healthy, you drink water. Kasi if you feel healthy, tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho. Okay, pangalawa is lifelong learning. Nobody knows everything. Kailangan din nating aralin. Hindi yung didiretso ka na lang, halimbawa business, hindi ka pa nga sure kung ano ang gagawin mo dyan. So, learning is a lifelong process. Aralin mo muna, sabi nga ni Chinkitan, kapag inaral mo, madali na lang. Now, ang pangatlo is discipline. Kasi kung walang discipline, hindi talaga pwede yon. Yung ngayon ka ginaganahan magtrabaho, the next week, petex-petex lang, wala lang. Tapos the next month ka na magsikap, hindi. Dapat consistent yung discipline mo. Yun po ang tatlong tandaan. At tandaan po natin na mag-focus muna tayo sa financial stability and the rest will follow. Thank you so much!